everyone, it's Rick from 15 Diamond Billiards. I'm going to be doing a random run out with these 5 balls, 1 through 5. Okay, keep the cue ball off the table for now. Just toss these, and it's going to be in sequential order, okay? If something goes in the gutter, then just retoss it. As long as it hits a bank somewhere. Whatever. Alright. It's a little tricky because the 4's over here, the 5's down here. Alright, start with ball in hand. 2's right there. That doesn't go there. That's the one that's a rough one. Doesn't go here either. Oh, if it does, it's tight. It's real. Yeah, I think it does, but it's. Alright, let's try this. Alright, so I got lined up for it. If I can get this. I have to cheat the pocket just a hit. These are tight pockets though. I have to miss the 5, otherwise it won't go in. It's gonna be perfect. Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Nice little handle. Scratch. Try to scratch. Okay. Alright, last one. Okay, so that's how you do that. You can make it 6 balls, you can do 7, 8, 9, as many as you want, but I suggest you start at maybe even 3 and then go to 4, then 5. For beginners, you know. For intermediate, 4, 5, that's perfect. And then you go up from there, alright? Hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.